Today we're gonna do an unboxing of these cool cats right here. These are the Puma Future Rider. Comes in this nice green and white box. You can see here, this is some information, not important. But here it says Future Rider, WN, that's white noise. This is a size 12. So both shoes are wrapped individually. That's pretty cool. Let me wrap this first one. Oh, that's one cool cat there. Oh, that's nice. That is nice. That's the right shoe. And this is the left shoe. So back. Down. Okay, so you can see here, it's a white shoe with a gray leather swoosh. I say swoosh. You can call it what you like. Oh, I like this toe. This toe here is leather as well. You can see that. That's nice. That is nice. The upper is leather as well. And we look at the back of the shoe. Oh, that's awesome. Look at that pattern. It's checkerboard. It's got the red, the light blue, the lime green, got the gold. We got the royal blue, the black. That's a nice touch right there. That is nice. Of course, you've got the supports here. This plastic or rubberish plastic. It's gray. The back here is nice suede. It's a nice grade of suede. Nice shoe. Well done, Puma. The top here is like a mesh. I was concerned that it was canvas. It looked canvas on the picture, but it's not. It's something that I can clean and keep clean. You can see this little gray loop here. Nice touch. It's like a heather gray, not a solid gray. The strings, look at the strings. That is awesome. It's a gray and a white. The tongue is gray as well. Look at that Puma tag on the tongue. Got the stripes. Oh, that's nice. That is nice. I think Puma did a great job with this shoe. Look at the bottom. Look at that gray, light gray and charcoal gray pattern. Of course, you got the traction on the shoe. That's awesome. That is awesome. Take this paper out. You can see in there, all right, you see the colors in there. It's Puma. It's got the same pattern that's on the back of the heel. Oh, that is awesome. Awesome. You got the nice Puma label here. This is a great shoe, guys. Great shoe. Awesome. You just see the other shoe, the left shoe. This is an awesome shoe. So look at this. This is totally different than the other side. If you look at the two, you got the pattern, different patterns. You got the little white Puma. You can see that. Yep. White jump Puma is what I'm gonna call it. That is nice. I'm very pleased with this purchase. I haven't even put them on foot yet, but it doesn't even matter. Looks first. I think they look fantastic. And I've done some research. I looked at some of the other Puma riders. In my opinion, I mean, this one, to me, hands down, has more flair, more flavor. The other ones, you don't have a tongue, you don't have the strings with this different pattern on it, and the bottoms do not have a pattern, okay? They may be colorful and all that, in different colors, but this, by far, hands down, is just awesome. Totally better than the other ones, in my opinion. Great job, Puma.